Hey everyone, welcome to Dale's Renewable World, where we break down the latest in green technology and sustainable living. Today, we're hitting the road to explore the future of transportation. We're diving into the battle between electric vehicles and hybrids. Who's got the edge? And what does it mean for our journey to a sustainable future? Well, buckle up because this ride's about to get interesting. Let's kick things off with the rock stars of the eco-friendly world, electric vehicles. These beauties are all about zero emissions, silent drives, and saying goodbye to gas stations. But as amazing as electric vehicles are, they do have their own set of challenges. Take the batteries in this Audi e-tron, for example. They're packed with power, but they also rely on materials like lithium and cobalt, which are, well, kind of like the limited edition collectibles of the earth. And while solid-state batteries are on the horizon, we're still dealing with finite resources here. And let's not forget about the infrastructure. Look at all this behind me. Fast chargers are cool and all, but building enough of them to keep up with a fully electric world, well, that's a tall order. So while electric vehicles are awesome, they're not without their hiccups. Now let's talk hybrids. These unsung heroes that often get overlooked, hybrids mix a little bit of electric magic with the good old combustion engine. But I think we can take this idea even further. What if we flipped the script? Picture this, a hybrid where the electric motor is the star of the show, powered by a compact battery. And instead of a big old engine, we've got a 10 kilowatt generator that's always running just to keep that battery charged up. Simple, right? Now here's a fun fact. A gallon of gasoline packs about 34 kilowatt hours of energy, and diesel, it's got around 39 kilowatt hours. With a generator running efficiently, this setup could give you over 1,000 miles of range on less than 15 gallons of fuel. That's like driving from Los Angeles, California to Denver, Colorado without breaking a sweat or the bank. Let's face it, everyone would love a car that goes farther on less fuel, right? It's a no-brainer. But it's not just about cutting costs. It's about making our resources last longer and being smarter with what we've got. That's real sustainability. The good news is we don't need to overhaul everything to get there. We already know internal combustion engines are great at delivering steady power, and electric motors give us that smooth, instant acceleration. So why not marry the two? Instead of a major redesign, we can enhance what's already working by integrating a small battery with an electric motor as the main power source. Then add a compact generator, or even better, use the existing engine to upgrade your vehicle. That will keep the battery charged up while you drive. This isn't about building something entirely new. It's about optimizing what we have. By doing this, we can create vehicles that use far less fuel by maintaining the same range. Imagine driving close to 1,000 miles on less than 15 gallons of fuel. No need to stress about finding a fast charger either, as these vehicles would ideally stay fully charged. This setup is a game changer for everyone, including truck drivers and delivery vans. It's a practical, sustainable solution that doesn't require you to give up the comfort or convenience you've become accustomed to. We're talking about making the most out of what we already know works and using it in a way that benefits all of us. So where does this leave us? As much as I love the idea of an all-electric future, hybrids might just be the unsung heroes we need to get there. By reimagining how we design and use these vehicles, we can drive into a sustainable future with confidence without sacrificing convenience or practicality. Thanks for tuning in to Dale's Renewable World. If you enjoyed the ride, hit the like button and subscribe for more fun and informative content. And remember, whether you're driving an electric car, a hybrid vehicle, or something in between, Every mile counts towards a cleaner, greener future. I'll see you on the road.